Like a woman at the well, I was seeking for things that could not satisfy. But then I heard my Savior speaking, draw from this well that never shall run dry. Fill my cup, Lord, I lift it up, Lord. Come and quench this thirsting of my soul. Bread of heaven, feed me till I want no more. Here's my cup, fill it up and make